Welcome to Tools Insider, your ultimate destination for everything related to tools and equipment. Are you looking for the best wood carving bits for Dremel? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose wood carving bits for Dremel with different prices, benefits, and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right wood carving bits for Dremel. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Double Cut Carbide Rotary Burr Set, 10 PCS 1/8 shank. This rotary burr set consists of 10 durable tungsten carbide bits. The bits, which feature a 1/8-inch shank, measures 45 to 50 millimeters, with a cutting diameter of 0.25 inches. Moreover, it has a 35 millimeters shank length. The head of each burr includes crossed groove lines, making the tool suitable for low-density materials such as wood, aluminum, and plastic. Besides the Dremel, the burr's 1/8-inch shank easily fits rotary tools with a 3-jaw clamp for accurate centering. These features make this tool set from look case ideal for carving, polishing, engraving, and DIY woodworking. Moreover, since they consist of durable material, these solid rotary burrs have a longer working life. As a result, you can expect your tools to work 200x longer than a grinding wheel and 10x as much as high-speed steel. Also, unlike other sets, this product comes in 3 shapes: ball, sphere, and cylinder shaped. These double-cut fluted burrs measure about 3 millimeters, making them suitable for detailed work. This design makes the product aggressive but suitable for softwoods, including butternut and basswood. Besides the affordable price tag for the entire 10-piece set, these multi-purpose Dremel bits are suitable for grinding, engraving, carving, and polishing needs. Unfortunately, this product isn't suitable for making precise cuts. Instead, I recommend them when roughing out shapes. Number 2. Kutzall Extreme Rotary Burrs. Kutzall manufactures specialized Dremel bits, including fine, coarse, and extreme, very coarse, burrs. In addition, each type of rotary burr comes in various shapes, such as spherical, taper, and cylindrical. This product from Kutzall falls under the extreme category and is designed to rapidly remove larger amounts of material. Besides working at an incomparable rate, the product's hybrid performance maintains the integrity of the surface. This, in turn, allows for final finishing. Additionally, the bits are easily controlled whether you're working along or against the wood grain. Use the 1/8-inch diameter shank bits for small areas requiring intricate detailing. However, you'll need to use an adjustable chuck or 1/8-inch collet. Also, this is a versatile product you can use to shape, relieve, contour, trim, adjust, or hollow various non-metallic surfaces. These surfaces include wood, foam, plastic, rubber, drywall, composites, fiberglass, and soft stone. This durable product features a tungsten carbide abrasive and a structured tooth innovation that lasts longer than conventional abrasives. Lastly, the teeth resist loading, and cleaning them is easy. You could clean it with a wire brush or burn it using a torch. Fortunately, the teeth are heat resistant and won't get damaged. Number 3. SPTA 10 PCHSS Router Bits. These high-speed steel router bits are designed to last long while delivering precise cuts with minimal pressure and energy. In addition, it features a 3 mm shank diameter, which offers a controlled cut depth to minimize kickback. Moreover, this product suits many applications and is compatible with small rotary tools. This set comes with 20 bits that you can use to carve various surfaces, including wood and metal. The bits work exceptionally well on copper, aluminum, ABS, PVC, nylon, plastics, acrylic, and resin. Some door hinge router bits that you may find handy include the straight, V-groove, trim, cove, and soft clutter types that aim to meet all your carving needs. Also, the bits include a head with a titanium coating that offers enough abrasion and a peeling-free experience. This tool set offers perfect for DIYers looking for the best Dremel bits for crafting at home. Moreover, it guarantees an efficient and hassle-free experience. Number 4. Titanium-coated engraving cutter carbide bits. These titanium-coated engraving bits consist of quality tungsten steel material, which delivers great milling and cutting performance. The high hardness makes the bits wear-resistant and doesn't bend easily. Moreover, these wood engraving Dremel bits are durable and offer a long service span. The titanium coating enhances the feed rate and speed of the bits while making them resistant to wear. This multi-purpose product can process many materials, including SMT, PCB, plastic, steel, copper, and mold. However, using the tool on metal requires seasoned expertise. Each bit measures up to 37 mm and has a shank diameter of 1/8 inch. The set is also compatible with most small rotary tools, such as the Dremel. This is the go-to product if you're working with soft materials. Also, being versatile, you can use the bits for drilling, carving, engraving, and etching surfaces. The set has different bit shapes and a 22 PCS sanding drum for various drilling and carving projects. Number 5. Tata Tools 20 PC Double Cut Burrs. The perfect Dremel wood carving bits should make precise cuts while maintaining balance. You'll want to use a tool with minimal vibration, such as this double cut burrs from Tata Tools, to achieve both functions. This product delivers superior results in engineering projects, jewelry making, deburring, welding, and jobs involving precision metal work. Similarly, you could deploy the set on various crafts, DIY arts, and hobbies like sculpting. These Dremel bit sets consist of premium tungsten steel, thus offering maximum durability in the long run. It also includes a single and double cut tooth angle, eliminating the chances of chipping. This kit comes with 20 bits to help you tackle everything from cutting wood to grinding, shaping, and polishing. Besides wood, you can use it to remove the sharp edges on ferric and non-ferric metal, plastic, and stone. Unlike other products, this set of carving burrs delivers a quicker cutting time, making it suitable for forging all kinds of metal mold. Moreover, this kit comes in a great storage box, making it easy to store or transport. Additionally, the storage box keeps the bits within your reach, making them accessible whenever you need them. As a result, you can avoid losing or misplacing your bits. Lastly, this product comes with a 1-year exclusive warranty. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comments below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.